Alright, here's what we're doing today. So this is the Sundown U Series. I finally got the drop-in recone kit for it. Kit comes with coil, spider, cone, surround, all in one. Dust cap separate. And then I have a handy-dandy 3-inch coil spacer. Makes my life so easy in rebuilding these things. So what we're actually going to do on this one, because CA glue sets too fast, and I'm not reusing this trim ring. It's just too much of a pain in the butt to clean, and then trying to get the screws in here just through the basket, it's just going to be almost impossible. So I am not going to reinstall this. It would probably crack anyway if I did. I am going to use, where'd it go? Here we go. 2-part epoxy to put on the spider landing, and then smush the spider down onto it as everything is centered and ready to go. Let that set, and then glue the surround on. So, gonna be pretty simple today. Not too crazy. Sundown. Well, I actually got this recone kit from Droppin Hertz, and they make some pretty good recone kits. I've bought from them before. Big fan. And sorry, they're cheaper than Sundown's recone kits. I think it was like 30 or 40 bucks cheaper than Sundown. So, you know, it's a no-brainer. Why not? So we're gonna get you zoomed in here and get started. Okay, guys. Well, it was not recording while I was doing the glue. So basically, I'll give you the rundown. I cleaned all the surfaces, the spider landing and the edge of the sub here. And I got some epoxy with one of those stir sticks that mixes the epoxy as you squeeze. Makes life real simple with this. So got it all set up. Got the shim in here. Worked the epoxy around a little bit. Moved it up and down, left and right, just to spread the glue out. I've got a good bead of glue coming out all the way around this thing. I am going to work the spider a bit as the glue sets. It's a 5-minute epoxy, so it's not like I'm in a rush. I have 5 minutes, in fact. But I am going to work it in a little bit, just with my fingers. I have the shim in place, so it should keep everything lined up, no problem. Also use a little bit of CA glue right in here just to get everything working together here. Awesome, I like it a lot. Let that glue set a little longer, and then I'll be back. All right. So, the spider is all glued down, glue is set. Now for the surround. Before I do that, I want to do a little cleaning on it and get my screws ready. Okay. Rag handy, as usual. Here we go. All right. Clean your tip. I'm going to work it in a little bit, but then after that I'm just going to throw that ring on and we'll be good to go. Alright. you have any experience with putting a wheel on a car, you go in a pattern. Start on one side, go to the other. Get it tight. Get it fairly tight, get it snug. And move on. I'm gonna go to the next one over right here. Go. Now we're going to go all the way around, make sure they're tight and I like it. That's pretty much it. I'm still going to let the glue set before I put the dust cap on. But yeah, I mean, it's good. It's in there. This is an absolute time saver right here. Instead of having to measure out or cut paper or your index cards, this is just such a lifesaver. If you're going to be rebuilding a lot of subs, totally get one of these. Not necessary, but very handy. So should be good now. Glue set there. You do need to put the tinsel leads, screw them, and bolt them onto the terminals, but I'll get to that. I don't have to do that on camera. Yes, I do. What am I talking about? Time lapse. Probably can't see that move or hear it, but I promise it is moving as I'm testing it here. There it goes. That's a little better. Yep. Very small movement, but it is moving, so I know everything works. Cool. I figured it would. Shouldn't be a problem. Being a drop-in. All right, cool. Well, that's it for now. Just gotta throw the dust cap on, but I just want to let the glue set first. So that's it for tonight. I'll finish this tomorrow. And just get the dust cap glued on. This guy right here. And we'll be good to go. Alright, back to it. Gonna glue the dust cap on. Now that everything's set, glue is dried, pull the shim. Oh yeah, we're good. So, make a tape handle, start gluing. And that was it. Just got the dust cap glued in. Just gotta wait for it to dry. And she'll be good to go in a box. Good for resale, whatever. So if you're interested in this Sundown U Series V112, man, let me know in the comment section below, or I'll see if I can post my email and let me know. I'll get it boxed up and shipped. I'll do a little testing on it on the bench too, just to make sure everything works. But I'm pretty confident everything will be just fine. Oh yeah, there you go. And then one more side. Oh yeah. Good to go, guys. So that's it. That's the full rebuild, drop-in recone of a Sundown U Series. I hope you enjoyed. Take it easy.